Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today I am going to be demonstrating this look for you guys. I know I have a cranberry eye look on my channel. It's probably like 3 years old at this point, but this is a little different because this is using all airbrush products. I received some new goodies today in the mail from Dinair, and I was super excited to film with them, and I couldn't wait, so I jumped right on into filming with these bad boys. And let me just say, I don't want to spoil it, but you guys need to watch this video because this is poppin'. And if you guys didn't notice, I don't have any falsies on today, and that's not very typical of me when I do a glamorous eye look, but my lashes have been doing so freaking good that I don't want to mess them up with false lashes right now. So I'm just gonna ride this natural lash wave until I can't no more, and I have to just, you know, start using falsies again because I miss them, because trust me, it's coming. I was contemplating putting on falsies and I was like, Alaha, no. You need to just relax and just do your own natural lashes, whatever, they've grown, they're okay. So anyway, I don't want to ramble on. So yeah, this whole look is done with airbrush. So if you guys want to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's jump right on into this tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply my Urban Decay Cosmetics Primer Potion to my eyelids to prime my eyes and make sure that my shadows do not crease. Next, I'm going to use my Dinair Neutralizer in the shade Vanilla and apply this to my brow bone for a more lifted brow bone, and it just makes everything look so much cleaner and more crisp. The transition shade I'll be using is the Dinair Neutralizer in the shade Golden Olive, and I just take a couple of drops of this and apply this to the crease of my eye to create a nice transition for my next shade. Next shade I'm going in with is Dinair Natural. This is a matte color. I'm going in with the shade Fawn Brown and applying this to deepen that transition and really give my crease some depth and definition. So this is basically going to be the cream of the crop here. This is what the whole eye look is going to be based off of, is this color and this vibe right here. Also, notice how I'm layering. I'm not just going in all at once on one eye. I'm switching from eye to eye. Next, I'm going in with some Airbrush Cleaner, and I'm just back bubbling and spraying this into my container to clean out my airbrush machine. Then I go in with this Color Opalescent shade. This is the shade Vanity. It's such a beautiful shade. I should have applied this first and then did my crease, but my bad. I didn't think I was going to apply a color to the crease, so then I had to go correct it again with Fawn Brown. Just because I got some shimmer all over the crease and I didn't really want it to look that way. And I also deepened the crease just a little bit and brought it into the inner corner some more. Then I go in with the Dinair Natural Matte color in the shade Dark Brown, and I just apply this as my eyeliner. I kind of freehanded this. I didn't use a stencil at all just because I didn't want to wing it out. I wanted to look like a smoked outliner, so I just freehanded it so it can, you know, be a little bit more on the smudgy side. And then I use some Airbrush Cleaner and on a Q-tip, I apply it on a Q-tip and I clean up the inner corners where that fawn brown color got dragged a little too deep and I didn't want it all the way over there. So I just clean this up with some Airbrush Cleaner. Then I go in with the Color Selenite color. This is opalescent shade, and it's got like a nice shimmer to it. It's like a white color, and this is perfect for the inner corners. I absolutely love this color. And I top it off with a Color Opalescent 24 karat shade just because I wanted it to be like a champagne. The beauty about these colors is you can layer them and mix them straight on your face. Then I go back in with dark brown and I apply this to my lower lash line. Lord, you guys know my eyes are super sensitive, so I was so freaking proud of myself that I was able to do this without looking like a hot ass mess. And now I pull out my handy dandy stencil and I connect that lower lash line to the top liner. Then I go in with the Color Opalescent Date Night shade. Guys, this is such a beautiful shade. And I apply this to my lower third of my lower lash line. I'm sorry, the inner third of my lower lash line. And then I clean up any mess around there with some Airbrush Cleaner and we are good to go. Yes, my eyes are sensitive. No, this does not irritate my eyes. So it's cool. Now for the complexion, I go in with my Milk Cosmetics or Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Moisturizer. And I just apply this all over my face for my base to have it nice and hydrated, and followed by the Airbrush CBD spray. Last time I used this, I applied way too much. You just need like 4 or 5 drops really, and that's more than enough. And I just apply this all over my face for a nice hydration and a nice kind of glow from within. This really helps with that. So I do love this product. You guys know I love, love, love a good full coverage look, but I can't get under my eyes that close because I'll start crying and making a mess all over my face. So I go in with some concealer. This is the Doll 10 Beauty TCE concealer. TCE stands for This Covers Everything, and it sure does. This is in the shade Light Medium. I just use this to highlight underneath my makeup. One day I will show you guys what I'm talking about when I tell you my eyes are too sensitive to do this with airbrush, so you guys can see it on camera, and who knows, I may succeed. But for now, this is the way I do it. I applied a little too much concealer. I was in a rush, so sorry about that. Then I go into the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I use this to set that concealer in place so it does not move around and mess up underneath my airbrush foundation, and just go ahead and dust off any excess powder off of your face with a nice fluffy powder brush. Then I go in with the Dinair Soft Glow Matte foundations. These are in the shades Vanilla. I apply about 15 drops of that, and 10 drops of that, and then Golden Olive, apply about 6 to 7 drops of that, and I mix them by back bubbling, and I just spray this all over my face. Remember, when you're airbrushing, if you guys are new to airbrush, you constantly have to move your hand around. If you stand still in one spot, you will puddle and you'll cause a hot spot, and that will not look good. So make sure you're constantly moving around. Clearly this is fast forwarded. I'm not really moving this fast, but just keep moving around your face. Then I go in with the Dinair Soft Glow Matte in the shade Nutmeg. This is the perfect contour shade for my skin. Like, I am obsessed with how beautiful this contour shade is with this foundation combination. Man, let me tell you, it's the way I like my contour. It's like perfect. I love it. And you can layer it and build it up and make it more intense if you need to. You can mix it with the other shades if you want to go a little bit darker, but not too much. Very, very versatile, these products. I'm very, very pleased with them. And then I just contour the hollows of my cheeks, my temples, my forehead, underneath my jawline, and a little bit into my neck just to make it look more cohesive. Then I go in with the Color Opalescent shades. These are in the shades Enchanted and 24 Karat. I mix a drop of each, and I apply this to the high points of my face to highlight and give myself that really sexy glow, because I mean, you guys know I live for a good highlight. Looks wet, but it's dry to the touch. Absolutely love it. Stays on all day. Gets an A from me. I apply this to the high points of my cheeks, my temples, the sides of my foreheads, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I mean, guys, look at this glow. It's so gorgeous. Then I go in with the Dinair Natural Matte color in the shade Dark Peach Pink, and I use this as my blush color on the apples of my cheeks, and I blend it into my contour and highlight. Next, I go in with my Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer. You guys know I don't contour my nose with airbrush because, again, sensitive eyes here. And I just use a small Morphe brush to contour my nose. And this is the Morphe M572 brush, for those of you that always ask me and I always forget. I just contour my nose lightly and snatch it. Next, I go in with my Huda Beauty mascara. This is the Legit Lashes mascara. You guys, if you didn't check out my mascara review, check it out because this mascara is so dope. I was gonna apply false lashes, but because of this mascara and my lash lift that I have on, I didn't need to apply false lashes. So you're welcome. Next, I go in with my Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice Lip Liner, and I just line my lips and prep them for my Dinair Whisper Liquid Lipstick. Now to tie this whole look together, I go in with my Moist and Dewy. This is infused with CBD, and it is a beautiful spray that kind of fuses your entire makeup together with this beautiful glow, and you'll see my face transform from like a super matte look to this beautiful glowy look, but it doesn't feel wet on the skin, which I absolutely love because I want my makeup to look dewy, but I do not want it to feel dewy. Does that make sense? So I just apply this all over my face and that's it. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I just want to say that I loved everything I used today, but this was awesome. It just feels so refreshing on the skin, and it just fused all the makeup together to make it look very flawless and seamless. So I am really feeling this Airbrush CBD Moist and Dewy. Definitely check it out. And guys, don't forget, I do have a coupon code with Dinair. If you want to purchase any of these products today, please use the code MAKEUPBYALAHA. Yes, I receive a small commission, but you guys get a discount. So check it out. We both win. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, the coupon code is temporary. After the coupon code expires, if you guys ever try it and you see that it's no longer working, just reach out to me, send me a DM on Instagram, and I would love to help you out with that. I can send you a link because my links don't expire, but it's just hard for me to constantly create the link and put it, like, you know, on my posts and whatnot. So having a coupon code is definitely helpful. So please guys, check it out. airbrushmakeup.com, and you can save money by using my code MAKEUPBYALAHA. So yeah, I really enjoyed filming this tutorial today. Oh my god, it was like one of the funnest tutorials I've done because I wanted to dabble in more colors, but then I was like, you know what, let me just get my feet wet a little bit and just do like a cranberry bronzy eye, just because that's what I gravitate towards the most when I'm going out. And I wanted to get comfortable with this formula. It is a new formula for me. Again, it's water-based, dries so quickly. I love that. Like, that's incredible how fast it dries and it doesn't crease. So yeah, that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. All of that is at MAKEUPBYALAHA. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for staying until the very end. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.